day, everyone. Welcome to our GE class. Again, years until today. Now, Historia became known as the account of the past of a person or a group of people through written documents and historical evidences. In the early parts of 20th century, history became an important discipline. The main role of an historian, when we say historian class, is the person who studied history, or the person who studied history is historian. Now, historian's main role or duty is to write about the lives of important individuals like monarchs, heroes, saints, and nobilities. Their focus on writing about wars, revolutions, and other important breakthroughs. So that's why we are very grateful sa mga historians kasi nga class kung ating titingnan because of the historians, masasabi natin parang nasa present, na parang detalye masyado at magpipicture out natin kung ano nga bang nangyari in that particular time. Next, this is traditional historians class lived with the mantra of no document, no history. So that's why until today, historians ay naghahanap pa rin ng mga sources. It means to say, yung mga nagpapatunay o yung mga document na nagpapatunay ng for example, kung ano man yung pinapag-aralan in that particular na taon. Okay, let's proceed class to our lessons. Historians, they are seeking knowledge of the past using historical sources. Ano yung kanilang hinahanap? Such as written documents. We say written documents, yung mga newspapers, etc. and so forth, books. And next, we have the oral accounts, no? Yung pinapasa-pasa class. And then also the art and material artifacts, yung mga kagamitan. And lastly, the ecological markers. Like for example, yung mga kuweba, yung mga naisulat sa kuweba, naiukit sa mga kuweba, that is ecological markers. Now, in order to understand our topic class, in order to understand and enjoy this subject, we are going to understand first what is history. First is history informs the present generation of events that happened in the past, when it happened, and how it happened. So that's why don't be shocked when you read history class, doon talaga yung mga dates, when, ano ba yung nangyari, mga important things na nangyari, and then how it happened, paano ito nangyari. Another, history as the study of life in society in the past in all its aspects. It's meant to say, when we study history class, hindi lamang ito ay tumutukoy sa society, but then within lahat ng aspeto, we will be discussing that one in history. Another, history explains the background of our religion, customs, and traditions, among others. Because of history, nalalaman natin kung asan ba galing ang ating religion, yung ating customs, and the different traditions na mayroon tayo ngayon, among others, o depende sa anong klaseng mayroong religion tayo. Sa history natin yan malalaman. Another, history is aimed at helping students to understand the existing social, political, religious, and economic conditions of the people. So, it's my desire, class, that we will be enjoying this subject because this subject is one way that can help us understand our existing social, our political and religious and economic conditions of the people. Another thing that we need to consider in studying history class is we are going to know the nature of history. First, history is a study of the present in the light of the past. Again, history is a study of the present in the light of the past. Another, history is the study of man. So that's why don't be shocked, because in history we'll be studying man. We will be studying a group of people. Next, history is concerned with man in time. So we will be considering as well yung oras o panahon. History is concerned with man and space. We will be discussing about not only man, but of course how people interact with his or her society. Next, history provide an objective record of happenings. Dito natin malalaman yung detalyeng-detalye kung ano nga ba yung nangyari in that particular period. And that way, masasabi natin, mapipicture out natin that indeed, mas lalo nating maintindihan, mapapadali nating maintindihan. Next, we have, history is multi-sided. Kasi nga maraming mga disciplines na it is a branch of science na kailangan natin sa history, it's multi-sided. It means to say marami tayong i-consider nito. Yan. And lastly, history is dialogue between the events of the past and progressively emerging future. And it is a dialogue between the events of the past and progressively emerging future. And little by little, naiintindihan, maunawaan natin ang history kung base dito, it is a dialogue between the events. Ibig sabihin, as the more we read history class, the more natin maintindihan kung ano ang pinapahiwatig ng ating kasaysayan at paano ito nagiging develop o paano ito nagbabago, nagiging progressive until sa ating kinabukasan or future. Class, to end our first video lecture this time, I wanna read this statement for you. And I hope that as we end this video lecture, actually this is only the first video lecture. We have 2 more video lecture for our prelim. Everybody, read. History is the vehicle for God's work in the world. Again, history is the vehicle for God's work in the world. I hope it is a very short video lessons, but I hope that you have learned something from this. And take note of this class that right after, next day, please get ready because we will be having a short quiz. Thank you so much for listening. God bless us all. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching, guys. This is Trinita Baby Alia, your truly friend. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification below. Babu!